Surviving Japan. One kanji a day. You're at a quiet street corner, not a car in sight, and every local is just standing there. This kanji explains why. Today's kanji is a command. It reads tomaru or shi in compounds. When you see it painted on the road, it's talking to you. It means stop, to halt. 4 strokes. On a red triangle at an intersection, it means exactly what you think. It started as a footprint pressed into the ground. The foot has planted itself and stopped. Let's write it. 4 strokes. A simple, sturdy shape, fitting for stop. Follow along. Out there, tomare, tomare, painted on the road, means stop. Chushi, chushi, means canceled, common for events. And tsukodome means road closed. It hides inside other kanji. Se, read sei, means correct. O, read aruku, means to walk, and literally contains stop. So that's tomaru, stop, 4 strokes, read tomaru or shi. Survival tip. In Japan, people wait for the green man, even with no cars coming. Jaywalking is frowned upon, especially in front of kids. So when in doubt, stop and wait. Surviving Japan, 1 kanji a day. Some signs you really don't want to ignore. This is the one that says, pay attention or get hurt. Today's kanji is a warning label. It reads abunai, or key in compounds. When it's on a bright yellow sign, take it seriously. It means danger, peril, 6 strokes. You'll find it near platform edges, construction, and anything you shouldn't touch. Picture a person teetering on a cliff edge, with another crouched below. One slip, and it's trouble. Let's write it. 6 strokes. A leaning off-balance shape, which suits a word about danger. Follow along. Where it warns you. Shiken, shiken means danger, the big one to know. Abunai, abunai means dangerous, also used as watch out. And kiki, kiki means crisis. Lookalikes to know. Yaku, read yaku, means misfortune and hides inside. Iro, read iro, means color and shares that top shape. So, that's abri, danger, 6 strokes. Read abunai or key. Survival tip. On train platforms, stay behind the yellow line. Express trains blow through the station without stopping, so give the edge plenty of room. Surviving Japan. 1 kanji a day. This is the don't even think about it character. Learn it, and you'll dodge fines, glares, and embarrassment. Today's kanji means a rule. It reads kin, and it pairs with other characters to forbid all sorts of things. It means forbidden, prohibited. 13 strokes, so just recognize it. When you see it, something is not allowed here. Picture 2 trees standing over an altar. It began as a sacred grove that people were forbidden to enter. Let's look at it written. 13 strokes. Big, but it's just woods on top of a small altar shape. Follow along. The ones to know. Kinyang means no smoking. Kinshi means prohibited. And tachiri kishi means no entry, keep out. It's made of parts you've seen. Hayashi, read Hayashi, is woods, 2 trees side by side. Shime, read shimesu, means to show. So, that's kin, forbidden. Read kin. Survival tip. Many city streets are kinyen, no smoking while walking, and you can be fined. Smokers step into the marked smoking areas instead. When you see this kanji, just don't. Surviving Japan. 1 kanji a day, and our final survival character. Hopefully, he'll never need this one, but if you do, it matters most. Today's kanji means trouble, the not normal kind. It reads he. Combined with other kanji, it points you to safety. On its own, it means not or non, but the word to burn into memory is its most important pairing, coming up next. Picture 2 wings spread apart, facing opposite ways. A sense of things being not together, not normal. Let's write it. 8 strokes, 2 mirrored halves. A balanced shape for an unbalanced situation. Follow along. The one to remember. Hijoguchi. Hijoguchi means emergency exit, found in every building. Hijo means emergency. And hibang means off-duty. Lookalikes with that ladder shape. Shita, read shita, means north. Sumi, read sumi, means crime, and sits right on top of today's kanji. So that's fi, emergency. Read hi. Survival tip. In any hotel or train, look for the glowing green Fijokukto sign with the running figure. That's your exit. Knowing this kanji could matter in an earthquake. That completes your Japan survival kit. Welcome to 1 kanji a day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn 1 Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read te, or shu, in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means hand. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like shu. On its own, it is usually te. A hand with fingers and a wrist. The lines are the fingers spread out. Now, let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen. In order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Te means hand. Jouzu means skillful. And tegami means letter. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Me, read ke, hair. Bo, read uma, noon. So that's te, hand. 4 strokes, read te or shu. Try writing it 5 times today. Welcome to 1 kanji a day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read ue or jo in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means up, above. It has 3 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like jo. On its own, it is usually ue. A line with a mark sticking up above it. Up. Now let's write it. 3 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Ue means above. Jozu means skillful. And ijo means more than. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Shita, read shita, below. Tomaru, stop. Notice the small differences. So that's ume, up, above. 3 strokes, read ue or jo. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow. Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read shita or ka in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means down, below. It has 3 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like ka. On its own, it is usually shita. A line with a mark hanging down below it. Now let's write it. 3 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Shita means below. Shika means underground. And hita means unskillful. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Jo, read ue, above. Boku, divination. Notice the small differences. So that's shita, down, below. 3 strokes. Read shita or ka. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.